Hello future engineers, welcome back to the channel. So if you are targeting the SRM Institute of Science and Technology this very year, you probably know that SRM JEE is one of the most competitive exams out there. With phase 1 scheduled right around the corner from April 23rd to 28th, you might be staring at your massive class 11th and 12th textbooks, isn't it? And wondering how on earth you are going to revise everything. But what if I told you that you don't actually need to study everything? Yes. What if you could study just 40% of the syllabus and still score 70% of the marks? Today we are completely decoding the SRM JEE 2026 chapter-wise weightage to give you the ultimate student advantage. Let's get into the Smart Study blueprint. So let's initially start with the physics. And what I literally want to talk about for physics, you can just have a look. Physics, it consists of about 35 questions. So if you are terrified of mechanics, I have a great news for you people. The examiners at SRM love electromagnetism and optics. You can just have a look onto this particular data. So what I literally want to talk about that according to recent data, electrostatics and optics carry the absolute highest weightage, taking up about 8 to 10% of the paper each. Right behind them are current electricity, magnetism and AC circuits covering another 20% combined. So your strategy here is simple. Instead of spending 2 weeks struggling with complex rotational motion questions, master your class 12th NCERT Part 1 and Part 2 physics books. This single shift in focus can secure you massive guaranteed marks. Now let's move ahead and talk about chemistry. Yeah, people. Okay, moving on to the chemistry, which also has around 35 questions. The undeniable king of SRM JEE chemistry section is organic chemistry. Specifically, organic compounds containing oxygen like alcohols, phenols and ethers, they hold a massive 10 to 12% weightage. You can just have a look over here onto this particular data table. Yeah, people. So, add in the nitrogen compounds and you are looking at nearly a quarter of your chemistry paper sorted. For physical chemistry, do not ignore chemical kinetics, isn't it? And electrochemistry, which carry around 6 to 8% each. Remember, SRM JEE chemistry questions are highly theoretical and deeply rooted in NCERT fundamentals. If your NCERT basics are strong, you can solve these questions in less than 30 seconds each, saving precious time for mathematics. Finally, let's talk about for mathematics, and here are the unit-wise topic that's been mentioned over here. The link of this particular article I'll be sharing you in the description box for the complete transparency. So, the ultimate rank decider with 40 questions is mathematics. If there is one word you need to worship right now, it is calculus. Differential calculus and integral calculus together make up an insane 18 to 22%. Herein you can just have a look of the entire math section. Yeah, I'm talking about differential and integral calculus. If your calculus is weak, you absolutely must fix it now. Your second major target should be matrices and determinants, which carry a solid 8 to 10% weightage and are relatively easy to score. Vector algebra and probability follow closely behind. By just mastering these specific 5 or 6 chapters, you easily secure a massive chunk of your math score. What is your ultimate advantage here? The SRM JEE exam gives you 3 phases: April, June and July. By focusing your early preparation strictly on these high weightage chapters, you give yourself the highest possible chance of securing an amazing rank right in phase 1. You can then use the mock test to identify any small gaps and comfortably sit for phase 2 or 3 to upgrade your score if needed. Stop doing donkey work and start doing smart work. Which subject are you finding the hardest to prepare for? Drop it in the comments below and I will share some quick tips to help you out. If this weightage breakdown gave you a clear roadmap, hit that like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more top-tier engineering guidance. All the very best for your preparation.